everyone and welcome back to the channel. And at last we are in the 2650 and we're going to be going to do some field work. Got some rolling that a friend has let me come and do. They've just had some grass put in and we're going to go and have a play with the 2650, put it on the roller and see how it goes. So so I've been round once round in this field. I'm just doing the headlands on the second field. I did half of one other and this is the first full field I'll be doing. It's about 8 acres maybe. Going really well. The tractor's pulling the roller better than I expected, but it's certainly a bit of lump on the back, so it certainly knows it's on there. But yeah, I'm just plodding on, getting on, and so far so good. you guys have enjoyed the video anyway. Bit of outside and bit of inside sort of shots, and yeah, I think there's not much else more to say, but thank you very much for watching anyway, and I'll catch you at some point guys in another video. Thank you and bye for now.